Our Thane city is blessed with hectares of lush green mangrove forest. Let's have a look on the glimpses of biodiversity surviving here. This is a male fiddler crab feeding with one claw. And here is the female fiddler crab feeding with both of its claws. A dog-faced water snake is out of its burrow for basking and feeding in between pneumatophore roots. A mud skipper fish. Thousands of flamingos visit Thane Creek every year from Run of Kutch, Kazakhstan, Iran, Iraq, Dubai during migratory period. Chromatogaster ant, two-tailed spider, pneumatophore moth, Aedes mosquito, damselfly, sarcophaga fly, giant Asian mantis, potter wasp, seagull, black-headed ibis, golden jackal. Fishing community is completely dependent upon mangrove habitat for their livelihood. The lifeline of Mumbai passing over bridge of Mumbai Creek. All of us have faith on our God, no matter to which religion we belong. We offer flowers and other holy things to our God, and we discard it when it becomes stale. For decomposing purpose, we throw these stale offerings means nirmalya into creek by packing it into a polythene bag. But is it really decomposing properly? We are just disturbing the beauty of our gods by doing so. Many fishes consume small parts of this plastic bag and it remains in their body. Eventually enters ours. Heaps of this nirmalya floats on water of this Thane Creek, disturbing the ecosystem. The waste in this video is thrown by the residents of nearby apartments. This huge heap of domestic waste is created by local people. To avoid stinky smell, people push this dump directly into the water body. Increasing residential demands and price hike of homes in city area make people and builders to reclaim natural habitat like this. These chawls are built on mangroves few years back and it might expand in upcoming years due to increasing population in Mumbai and its suburbs. Natural habitats are impacted severely by reclamation and solid waste dumping. Agricultural patch is developed here by destroying mangrove habitat due to unemployment. This farmhouse and its adjacent ground is made by one self-proclaimed social worker of Mumbai. The change in the land area from last 15 years is visible in Google Earth. Wherever humans go, they leave their trace marks like this. However, many mangrove saplings are still trying to survive here in the mudflats, which are surrounded by trash and sewage waste. This is the area of aquaculture present near Kharegaon, Kalwa. For making this aquaculture and agricultural land, hundreds of mangroves might have been swept out, and this is just a small piece of aquaculture. More connectivity brings more degradation of nature. As shown in this video, this bridge is constructed over a canal of Thane Creek. According to Kalwa citizens and local authorities, this is the most needed project. This jogging track starts from Gammon Company Bridge to Sant Nirankari Satsang Bhavan, Reti Bandar. This jogging track is as broad as 3-lane highway.
पुढच्या पिढीला त्याचा चांगलाच फायदा होईल.
ते पूर्ण चिखलच असायचं ना, पूर्ण
खाडीच होती
पूर्ण.
आणि फक्त आम्ही त्या गणपती बुडवताना ते त्यावेळी फक्त यायचो, पण आता हे सगळं काय परत झालं
त्यामुळे आता 5-6 वर्षामध्ये सगळं हे झालेलं.
कसं होतं इकडे पूर्वी ते खारपुडीची जंगल होती, जो तुमचा प्रश्न आहे, आणि इकडे खूप सारे छोटे छोटे असे ते बॅरॅक्स होते म्हणजे, आणि तिकडे लोक काम करायचे, समुद्रातल्या बोटी वगैरे यायचे. खाडी म्हणजे हा कच्चा दळणवळणचा भाग आहे, रेती काढणारे वगैरे होते, तर त्या सगळ्यांची इकडे छोटे छोटे घरं होती. हां, आणि त्याच्यामुळे इकडे येणं शक्यतो व्हायचं नाही, ही त्यावेळीची परिस्थिती होती.
सिमेंटचे ब्लॉक बनवणारे कारखाने
वगैरे. आता काही मोठमोठे रस्ते होतात, त्यात काही येणारी झाडं तोडली जातात आहे किंवा नंतर ती झाडं उचलून दुसरीकडे लावली जातात आहे. तसाच हा भाग आहे. आता सुंदर होतो आहे, आज इकडे लोक येतात आहेत, फिरतात आहेत, आणि तशी आपल्या ठाण्याला अशी एक सुंदर असा समुद्राचा मिळाला आहे, तर त्याच्या मागे असं गार्डन होणं एक गरजेचं पण होतं. खारपुडी काय पाणी मेन म्हणजे खारपुडीचं काय पाणीचा जो प्रेशर असतो ना, तो काय खारपुडी आहे ना थांबवते. म्हणजे आम्ही हे आम्हाला या गोष्टी म्हणजे आम्ही आता आमच्या आजूबाजूला समुद्राच्या जवळपास आम्ही राहतो, त्याच्यामुळे खारपुडीचा जो पाण्याचा जो प्रेशर आहे ना, तो ते खारपुडीचे मुळं आहेत ना, ते पाण्याचा प्रेशर कमी करतात, जो अडवून ठेवतात, जो रोडवर किंवा जो येत नाही, तो हा त्यामागचा उद्देश खारपुडी. पण काय डेव्हलपमेंट आहे, सुंदरता हवी आहे, काहीतरी चांगलं झालं पाहिजे इन फ्युचर, तर त्यासाठी ते पण गरजेचं आहे. पण जे समतोल राखला गेला पाहिजे एवढंच आम्हाला सगळ्यांना वाटतं.
Awareness is much needed. People living here know the importance of mangroves and still consider it as wasteland. Jogging track is more useful for upcoming generation than protecting the Kharegaon and Mumbai region from various natural calamities. Mangroves do absorb 5 times more carbon dioxide and gives out 3 times more oxygen. Mangroves provide shelter to more than 200 species of vertebrates and n number of invertebrates. Now the time has come. Each and every citizen should start thinking good for mangroves. Save mangroves, save our Mother Earth. Don't let anthropogenic activities destroy her existence.